In this tutorial, I'm going to teach you how to create a pixel art AI video using the new model Seedance 2.5. So to do that, we're going to use the platform NovoAds AI. The link of this platform is going to be in the comment section. And actually, there is a trial that you can try this platform for just $1 for 3 days. So that way you can follow this tutorial paying only $1. So well, after you create the account, you will arrive here. And here we need to click in the video section. Now we have to go to settings, and here in model, we're going to use the model Seedance 2.5. Now in the duration, we're going to use 8 seconds. And here where it says write your prompt, we're going to use the following prompt. This prompt is going to be in the comment section, and you can just modify it as you want if you want. And here, actually, the important part is this one. This is where I say to the AI the style of the video. That is the pixel art style. All this other section is where I tell to the AI what will happen in the scene. But you can change it for whatever you want. So now we have to click here, and now click in generate. And now we have to wait more or less 4 minutes. Perfect, here we have the result, so now let's see it. And there we have it. The pixel art effect looks really good. So if you want to do a video like this one, remember that the prompt will be in the comment section and that you can try this platform for just $1. So well, after saying that, see you in the next video.